In this short tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to fix any problem that you have with the filters or the effects on Instagram. So if the filter is not showing or glitching, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix it, so just keep watching until the end. So all what you have to do is just go to the settings on your phone like this, and then go to the apps manager, and then go to the apps. Now here on this page, all what you have to do is just scroll until you find Instagram, and then click on it like this, click on the force stop option, and now all what you have to do here is click on storage and click here on clear data and clear cache, and then go to the data usage. Make sure that the Wi-Fi and the mobile data are enabled, and then go down here to the open by default and make sure to enable this option, always allow. Now all what you have to do is click on app details. It will take you directly to the Google Play. Make sure to update your Instagram from here if you don't have the last version. That's it guys, don't forget to like and subscribe.